Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary ronin and philosopher, had profound insights on overthinking. His teachings emphasized mastering our thoughts, and who better to learn from than someone who regularly faced adversaries in life-or-death duels. Musashi had to swiftly rid his mind of unnecessary thoughts. In this video, you'll learn to apply Musashi's strategies to combat overthinking, enhance mental health, and improve focus and productivity. You can start immediately, and I encourage you to stay until the end to grasp all the crucial lessons that could transform your life. Before you can tackle overthinking, you need to identify its causes. Musashi offered valuable insights here. He said, "Perceive that which cannot be seen with the eye." By this, he meant you must be honest with yourself and look inward to pinpoint the root of your mental struggles. It's about delving beyond surface-level thoughts to confront your deepest fears and insecurities, the ones that trigger overthinking. This process will bring clarity. Musashi understood that recognizing what's beneath the surface is essential to overcoming overthinking. By acknowledging your inner fears, you can start addressing them and moving forward. Another piece of Musashi's wisdom is, there is more than one path to the top of the mountain. This highlights the importance of being flexible and open-minded. Overthinking often arises when we rigidly seek the perfect solution. Musashi's advice is simple. Be adaptable, accept that multiple solutions exist, and release the anxiety stemming from perfectionism. We often feel our lives are predestined. Society's blueprint dictates birth, education, degree, job, retirement, and then the end. But this path doesn't suit everyone. Overthinking emerges when we feel destined for something different, when the conventional path doesn't align with our true desires. It's an internal conflict between societal expectations and our genuine wants. Musashi's wisdom is relevant here. He suggests stepping back and observing this inner conflict. Overthinking arises when imposed beliefs clash with true desires. By observing this conflict, you decide which side prevails. Understanding that there are various paths to success allows you to find your way without getting trapped in overthinking. For instance, you might feel pressured to follow a traditional career path. Maybe your parents want you to become a surgeon, but deep down, you aspire to be an artist. This internal struggle leads to overthinking. However, adopting Musashi's mindset reveals that your unique path, though different, is equally valid. By focusing on what you truly want and ignoring other voices, you can concentrate on your goals and bring them to life. Moving to the next strategy, Musashi advised, do nothing that is of no use. This emphasizes focusing on what's important and purposeful. Overthinking happens when we dwell on insignificant matters. Musashi encourages eliminating unnecessary thoughts and concentrating on what's crucial. Consider how often we get caught up in useless drama, whether from people around us or social media, absorbing nonsense that clouds our minds and distracts us from our goals. It's everywhere. YouTubers hyping up drama, gossip flooding our feeds, pointless debates cluttering our thoughts. You might wonder, will Mike Tyson at 57 years old beat a 28-year-old Jake Paul in their boxing match? But does it matter? It's just filler occupying your mind and diverting you from what's important. Such distractions foster overthinking. You might think, should I study more or watch one more video? And then when you finally study, your mind wanders. Am I doing enough? Will this help? Unnecessary thoughts create space for doubt and fear. By eliminating useless distractions and focusing on what matters, you prevent overthinking. Your mind will be too engaged in purposeful action for doubt or fear to creep in. Building on this momentum, let's delve into another of Musashi's teachings. Today is victory over yourself of yesterday. Tomorrow is your victory over lesser men. This philosophy centers on daily self-improvement. Overthinking often stems from comparing ourselves to others or worrying about the future. Musashi advises focusing on personal progress and discipline, shifting attention from unproductive thoughts to incremental self-improvement. Think about it. You have 24 hours today, and that's all that's guaranteed. Tomorrow isn't promised. Your task is to fully engage with today, giving 100% to the present moment. Forget about what might happen in 3 weeks if you neglect something today. Take it one day at a time. Adopting this philosophy, you'll notice how much you actually accomplish. Each day is unique, a gift to be experienced fully, focusing on present tasks. Tomorrow isn't guaranteed, but living fully today prepares you better for whatever tomorrow may bring. Continuing from the idea of living day by day, let's delve into another essential lesson from Musashi. There is timing in everything. Musashi's understanding of timing wasn't confined to martial arts. It applies to life as well. It teaches us patience and the significance of seizing opportunities when they genuinely arise, not merely when we desire them. Overthinking often stems from impatience or the craving for immediate results. However, Musashi reminds us that rushing usually leads to stress and mistakes. Consider someone aspiring to become a corporate lawyer. They are likely captivated by the end result, envisioning themselves in a courtroom winning significant cases, but they tend to overlook the reality of getting there. The long hours, the grind, the intense studying. They see the destination but not the journey. Then, when faced with actual challenges, doubt floods in. Should I really be doing this? Maybe I should change my major or get a job. Musashi's wisdom teaches us there's a right time for everything. If you rush through your journey, you might end up pushing your goals further away. That's when overthinking swoops in, making your mind a mess of doubts and what-ifs. Remember, good things take time, and there's a natural rhythm to how things unfold. Respecting that timing can help keep your mind clear and focused, allowing you to move forward when the moment is truly right. Do not let the body be dragged along by the mind, nor the mind be dragged along by the body. This advice from Musashi really resonated with me. It's about balance. Overthinking often happens when the mind races ahead or gets entangled in things that don't align with the body's needs. Musashi's wisdom emphasizes syncing the mind and body, creating a harmonious state that reduces mental clutter. My life typically revolves around two main focal points: work and boxing. Whenever I leaned into one, the other suffered, leading to excessive overthinking. During training sessions, my mind would drift towards the tasks awaiting me at home. Conversely, while working, I'd fret over my lack of progress in boxing due to insufficient training. This discord between mind and body generated undue stress. However, encountering Musashi's quote struck a chord. I realized the importance of balancing my attention and opted to prioritize differently based on the season. Surprisingly, this adjustment enhanced my ability to appreciate the present moment across all activities. It's remarkable how equilibrium can foster clarity and tranquility. Continuing along Musashi's wisdom, perhaps seen on your gym wall. The way is in training. He emphasized not only physical drills, but also the significance of practice and discipline in combating overthinking. At times, we become our harshest critics, setting unrealistic expectations and feeling dismayed when we fall short. This cycle perpetuates overthinking. Redirecting the energy spent on self-criticism towards goal pursuit is key. Acknowledge your current position realistically, transition from wishing to action, and witness genuine progress unfold. Nevertheless, mitigating overthinking is merely one facet of the larger picture. Visualize yourself as a project, with unique challenges that vary from person to person. While some excel in social interactions, others grapple with financial issues, self-doubt, or faith. I urge you to invest 12 minutes in introspection, jotting down your struggles in solitude. Whether on your phone or paper, list and rank these concerns based on their significance. This exercise offers clarity on where to direct your focus. Our mission is to strive for personal growth. I firmly advocate for three primary objectives: self-transformation, an ongoing journey, nurturing family relationships, and contributing positively to the world. However, everything commences with self-improvement. After compiling your list, explore our other videos addressing topics like anxiety and loneliness, likely contenders on your list. Our movement aims to cultivate the best versions of ourselves. Thanks for tuning into today's video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.